So I'm about to try to make an Uli design. As you know, Uli is an ancient art form done by the Igbo people in pre-colonial times, mostly by women who use it to design their bodies, their architecture, their pottery, and the rest of it. So I got this sackcloth here from Walmart and I decided to try it out because I am currently at the Frontier Culture Museum where we have the Igbo village in America. So I'm trying to try the design to see, the very first time, to see how it will come out. So I will show you all when I am done. I don't want anybody to laugh at me, so I'm not going to show you now. But at the end of it all, I know something is going to come out of it. I have Nzu, I have Uhie or Ufie as some people call it, but I don't have Uli. So I am going to use a textile paint to try it out and see what will come out of it. I am still on this mission to awaken our ancient art form that was used by the women of the communities to add some flair of aesthetics to our architecture, to the body, to the artifacts, the poetry, and the rest of it. This art was used in ancient days or in pre-colonial era to add beauty but also meaning to things. And as you know, design is partly influenced by the society, the environment, the world view of a certain people. And so each of those designs that you find on the Uli pattern mean different things. It might just look ordinary to you or just look like a simple pattern, but might mean a lot deeper in the Igbo worldview. And so what I am doing now is to try as much as possible to see how far I can go in. Although I have a Nzu, but I'm using this white blank plancho as Nzu because I tried the Nzu and it wasn't sticking. I got this Nzu when I was coming to the US, so it's been long. I need to prepare it and add some pigment in it to make it to stick and stay there, so that even if you dip it in water, it will not just wash away. So I'm trying this experiment, and so far it's been coming out well. I am proud. I am proud to be partaking in this mission of reawakening our ancient heritage and retelling our living history, our intangible heritage. Although A lot of our artifacts are in most of the museums. Those artifacts have cultural values and world view from the places they come from. And so for long it has been all about the objects. I am trying to make this movement so that the world will know that there are values and belief behind the objects. So hopefully this come out to be beautiful, and I will show you all the progress, and then we take it from there. So I'm not going to stop here. I'll do more. As you know, I am a performer, and I will be happy to do this to perform. Good morning. So today is the second day of my trying out this ancient art form, which is the Uli art. As you can see, I have my akwaji spread out, and I am about to start again. I couldn't finish yesterday because, as you know, I'm taking my time, and it became dark, so I had to go. When I started earlier, it started drizzling. I had to leave, and then later in the evening I tried to do it and it got dark, and then today I am here to continue from where I stopped. Like I said, once I am done, I'm going to show the results and see if indeed we can sustain this ancient art form as it were. As we know, we already have a lot of contemporary artists, of which I know one of the major contemporary Uli artists as Professor Chude Ikwemesi. He has been doing so amazing with the Uli art, and many others. I do appreciate all of them who have tried to use this art in their contemporary paintings and artworks. That is, like I said, usage is one of the major forms of sustainability. We can write papers and do all that, but usage, if we don't translate it to usage, it will soon die off because it is not practiced. So today we are about to continue. I am trying to see if I can make a design as it were and see what we come out with. So let's continue on day one. So I have come to the end of my experiment with the Uli design, and I am going now to show you a little bit of what I did, how it came out, and some of the designs I did, some of the codes I did. I will just tell you about it. So as you know, in the olden time, Uli is an ancient art of the Igbo people, majorly done by the women. It's an art of the women. Even though we have some contemporary artists, both male and female, mostly male, doing it today, it is important that we make some efforts to sustain this art. So you can find different ways of sustaining the art, maybe through designing it by the side of your house, corner of a fence, furniture, or whatever. However you do it to sustain it, it's okay, as long as we do not wait until when our stories are told and then we start complaining. So let me show you what I did. So what do you think? What do you think? Tell me what you think. You see some of the signs, some of the designs. You can see ogene, isioji, okala isioji, ubochi afia ano, mbe, okala onwa, anyanwụ, agwala agwọ, ngwere, iji agwọ, iji dide, ntụpọ, kpakpando. All these are designs of the Uli. So tell me what you think. Osisi hurumuna tumkwe ifufe majeonu. Oambiara muna timbo kemakola mo. Osisi hurumuna tumkwe
ifufe ma jee ọnụ